Hey everyone, my name is Cameron Gallagher, and today I want to show you how to make an Instagram Reel formatted video for Instagram. So this is obviously support for the new Instagram Reels, and you can pretty much do this in any software, so Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, but I wanted to show you how I do it and how you can set this up. So wherever you create a timeline or a new project, you want to create a new timeline. And in my case, I'm going to change the project settings here. So again, in Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, you want to just change the timeline settings or the format. And in this case, I'm going to type in 1080 by 1920. So this is obviously a tall, it is a widescreen, but it is, vertical video. And then in DaVinci Resolve, I'm going to do scale full frame with crop. And this basically allows any clip to be cropped. And that means it's going to zoom in, so it just makes things a little bit easier. I use 24 frames, but you could always do like 30 if you wanted to, or if you shot in 30, because I know Instagram Reels, I think, supports up to 60 frames, but in my case, we shoot 24, so that's what we're going to do. And again, it's the same thing wherever you make your projects or your new timelines in Premiere or Final Cut Pro X. I'm going to click Create, and you can see that we have our tall Instagram piece right here. So, in this case, I'm just going to dump some clips in here really quick, so that way you can see what we're doing. So I'm going to dump some clips, and you can see, boom, there they are zoomed in, and obviously you can go in and adjust them if you want to change the perspective and all that kind of stuff, which I would recommend doing so that way you can see. And then after that, you're going to go to your delivery page for me, or if you're in Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro X, the export page, whatever that might be. And what I would recommend doing is obviously just choose where you're going to save this. And then you can do either MP4 or QuickTime. In my opinion, I would use QuickTime and then H.265. Or if you don't have that option, MP4 and H.264 or 5. Reason being is these are compressed, especially MP4, H.265. So this is a very compressed version of that. So this is going to be a very small file, which Instagram is going to prefer. And of course, we can see here our resolution is 1080 by 1920, 24 frames per second. Our quality, I'm just going to do automatic in DaVinci Resolve, and in Premiere Pro, I would just kind of do whatever the default is. That way you're not adding any high amount of bitrate or low amount of bitrate beyond what you just need. And it's pretty much that simple. This way, this is going to be a really high quality video that you can export, use on Instagram Reels, and it's super simple, but I just wanted to show this kind of basic tutorial as to how to do that. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.